Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring the NET SDK and VSCode are ready. This saves time later. First, verify .NET version so you know which runtime you have. Once done, install the CHash extension in VSCode and open your project folder. Then use .NET New Console to scaffold a minimal app. This creates program, CS, and a project file. Make sure to restore packages with .NET Restore. Now you have a working workspace and the initial build artifacts. Now you iterate, edit program, CS, and add real logic. You should run the app with .NET Run for fast feedback, then use F5 to launch the integrated debugger. Set breakpoints and step through code to inspect state. This reveals why values change. When you add libraries, use .NET Add Package and then .NET Restore so dependencies resolve. Make sure launch. JSON and tasks. JSON reflect your framework and target. Customize them only if defaults do not match your build or debug. To finish, build a release output with .NET Publish so you have deployable files. You should also write and run unit tests with .NET Test to validate behavior before shipping. Once published, run the artifacts from the out folder to confirm runtime expectations. If something breaks, first check the SDK version versus the project target framework and your path settings. Make sure Omni Sharp extension logs show the correct SDK. One key tip: remove global JSON or update it if it pins a.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.